owner of clayliadulu.com.
And is there anything I can do for you, Miss Vidya?
I want to complain about the clothes and I ordered from this online shopping site last week.
Miss, what happened?
It's a slight problem with me color and the stitching. I ordered a blue shirt, but you sent me a gray color. And there are also some undated parts in the seam. I need to get the color I ordered earlier.